Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be exfoliating the skin. I have this wonderful scrub for you that is so perfect for oily skin. Anyone can use this scrub. However, for oily skin, the summertime, this is just gonna work. This is an oil absorbing scrub. So what it's gonna do is gonna absorb the oil while getting rid of the dead skin cells, while exfoliating, while cleaning the sebum and the dirt from the pores, leaving your skin just bright, fresh, and radiant. So if you're interested in this wonderful scrub, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. When old skin cells start to pile up on the surface of the skin, it can leave skin looking dull, rough, and dry. Furthermore, the buildup of dead skin cells can result in excess oil and clogged pores, leading to blemishes and acne. In short, a regular exfoliating routine will leave your skin looking fresh and healthy. Now let's take a look at the ingredient. Our first ingredient is baking soda. Now, depending on where you're living, baking soda is the same as sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. Our second ingredient is oatmeal, and you can use whatever type of oatmeal you have. And our final ingredient is coconut oil. And as you can see, mine is almost out. However, this is more than enough to make the scrub. Now we're going to put this together, and to begin, I'm first going to blend the oatmeal, and I'm using about a quarter cup of oatmeal. So while we are blending the oatmeal, let's take a look at the benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal has exfoliant and moisturizing properties. It made an excellent homemade remedy for the smooth, healthy, and radiant skin. Oatmeal provides numerous skin benefits such as preventing dry, dull, flaky skin. Oatmeal moisturizes, smooth, conditions, and nourishes the skin. It gently removes dirt and oils from the pores. And here is our blended oatmeal. So let's take a look at the ingredients one more time. We have baking soda. We also have blended oatmeal, and we have coconut oil. Okay, so now we're going to mix all three together. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of blended oatmeal. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And now we're going to mix this together. So here we have all the 3 ingredients, and we're going to mix. Now you're going to find that this is going to be a little dry to begin with. Do not add any more oil to it. Just take your time. It's going to take you about 2 to 3 minutes to completely blend this together. So continue to blend until it is totally moist. While doing this, let's take a look at the benefits of our coconut oil and also of our baking soda on the skin. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a powerful moisturizer that is beneficial to restoring dry and flaky skin. Coconut oil helps to strengthen skin tissue more deeply and eliminate dead skin cells while absorbing quickly into your skin. Coconut oil also helps to delay the occurrence of wrinkles because it contains an antioxidant, vitamin E, known to protect skin cells from damage over time. Baking soda. Baking soda is a powerful exfoliant that breaks down and removes dead skin cells and tissues from the skin without damaging the rest of the skin. Baking soda is also an excellent remedy for pimples, blackheads, and acne. Baking soda also has antibacterial properties which prevent breakout. And this is ready, and look at the texture. You need it to be like this, not too coarse, just perfect, mild enough for exfoliating even sensitive skin. And here we have our baking soda coconut oil oatmeal facial scrub. Now I'm going to move on to show you how to use this wonderful facial scrub. So here we have our oatmeal, baking soda, and coconut oil scrub. And to use this scrub, you're going to take a little bit, not a lot. You're going to just take it in your hands like this. And this is really smooth and nice. And you're going to use it to exfoliate the skin. Ooh, wow, wow, ooh, this is pretty awesome, guys. Feeling really good with this one. I so love this one. So you're gonna exfoliate. Keep it out of the region of your eyes, guys. Don't let this get in your eyes. And you're just gonna keep exfoliating the skin. This is also perfect to exfoliate your lips. So exfoliate for about 3 minutes. Now keep exfoliating in circular motion. You're getting rid of the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. What this is doing to your skin is cleaning out the pores. If you have a lot of large pores on your nose, go zoom in on it with this. Just keep exfoliating, circular motion. Keep going. If you have acne, whiteheads, blackheads, circular motion, just exfoliate the areas with this. This is nice. This is great. And 3 minutes, guys. Exfoliate. Nose, don't forget your nose. Keep going. Your chin area. A lot of people tend to have a lot of whiteheads right under here. Just exfoliate the area. Don't forget your chin, and also don't forget to go down on your neck. As a matter of fact, this is so wonderful that you can use this on your entire body. After 3 minutes, you're gonna go and you're gonna rinse this off to reveal nice, clear, radiant, beautiful looking skin. You want to use this treatment at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Okay, now if you have sensitive skin, patch test the treatment before you use. If your skin is already irritated, you're not going to use this scrub, okay? Now, if you have severe acne, you cannot use this scrub, all right? However, if you have a lot of blackheads, a lot of whiteheads, you're going to use it. If you have normal skin, it's perfect, okay? So once you finish exfoliating the skin, you're going to rinse off with warm water. Now, for this scrub, it is okay to store this scrub in your refrigerator for way over a month. Okay, you could store this scrub for way over a month in your refrigerator. Just make sure to take it out a couple of minutes before you use it so that it gets to room temperature. So I'm gonna rinse this off and I will be back with the result. So there you have it. Go and try this wonderful scrub. It is really and truly amazing. If you like the scrub, come back and leave your comment. Also, thumbs up the video if you like it. Share the video. And if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.